Every time we have a new class, a new batch of individuals, the dynamics is always different. Always. Last term, it was quite different than this term. Some good, some bad, some just, it is what it is, different personalities. What I like most about this particular program and this group is almost complete perfect attendance. The commitment, the level of commitment that everybody made. A couple people had to miss a day or two, and that's fine. But the level of commitment was super, super high. And so what that tells me is that when an employer calls me and asks about your dependability, I will feel comfortable about letting them know how dependable you are. You don't miss. You work hard. And that's part of it, if not the vast majority of it.
When you got burned.
Oh, you're a boo-boo? See, there is pain, and Andrew was even talking about the pain. But yeah, there is pain when it comes in this. We do a lot of video, or a lot of these, and I also require people do videos on something that they've learned, something that they've experienced. And these videos, as well as just about everything else, are to be shared. And not only are they on our HVAC Technical Academy website, but they're also on YouTube. So you can, if you have friends and family in Pennsylvania, not that anybody does, but they can see some of your work. Oh, are you? Uh-oh. No, we've been to Pennsylvania, and we went to the Amish things like a bird in the hand, and some of those really weird city kind of villages. But anyway, I run off on tangents in case nobody knows that. So come on in. One of the things that we do, like I say, is videos. Andrew's been in the business for many years. Robert is another primary instructor, the primary instructor. He's been in the business for, 42, 43 years, a long time. That's next door. We did some fun next door. And yeah, you're gonna see we did try to have fun. One of the things about Robert is he's not, nor is Andrew, an academician, meaning that they've never taught except here. And that's what I wanted, and that's what I think makes this program extremely strong, is that you're being mentored by individuals who know the business, who are in the business, and develop that business, and are successful in it. So, I'm not a technician, and I've told you all that before. I leave that up to them. I'm more on the academic side. So it's a nice little mesh. But one of the things that we do is we develop relationships with everybody. And it's always a great thing. So one of the things that I do want to share very quickly before I introduce this next individual, our instructor, one of the instructors, is to show a quick video about what we did.